How have I never thought about this recipe before? I made it just once and everybody asked me for the recipe. We'll start, guys, with 100 grams of fish. Okay, you can use the one you prefer. We are going to put it this way in the tray and start putting tomato, it's well chopped onion as well. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. I also added yellow pepper, red pepper, all chopped, guys. Parsley to taste. And now season it with a tablespoon of salt, paprika, garlic, it's well chopped as well, black pepper, and also a little bit of oil on top of all of this, okay, guys? Now mix it all so all the seasons can be together and go to the fish. Mix it all like this. Also, send this video to a friend so you can make it together. We can't forget to put 1 squeezed lemon, okay? Now let's cover it with some plastic and let it there for half an hour, okay, guys? If you can let it for 1 hour, it's better, but half an hour, it's already enough. Now we'll cut some potatoes, okay? Slice them this way, as you can see on the video. In another tray, we are going to put some onions like this, guys, as you can see, and also the potatoes on top of it. Done that, let's add the fish now on top of these potatoes. As you can see, the fish has all the seasons right now, and also put all of the legumes that we put on top of the fish, okay? Everything. They are well seasoned. Now we are going to take it to the oven, okay? Take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. By the end of the minutes, you can put more, degrees Fahrenheit just to grate the top of it. If you make less of it, you can make inside of the air fryer as well. And just take a look at this wonder, guys. Seriously, it's giving me water in my mouth right now. I have no words to describe it. And the right time to take it out from the oven is when you see that the potato is all cooked, okay? Make it at your house, that I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it. And this was today's dish, you guys. I hope you liked this recipe and see you guys around.